Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my family's favorite orange chicken. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our 2 pounds of chicken. Here I already have it cut into small size pieces. To that we're going to add our 1 egg. Make sure to lightly beat it and just mix it with the chicken. I'm going to season it with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So just mix it. Okay, to that we're going to also add 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So just make sure that the chicken gets nice and coated, and just make sure that your chicken doesn't get stuck to each other. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to set it to the side so we can make our sauce. Okay, to make our sauce, we're going to combine 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and sugar. The sugar will depend on how sweet you want your sauce. Okay, and I'm using 6 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of regular sugar. Now we can get ready to begin cooking. Okay, to our wok, we're going to add about 1 inch of oil. We're going to set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Okay, so once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to begin to fry our chicken. Make sure to shake the excess. And I'm going to be doing this in batches and just allow it to fry for about 4 minutes or just until the chicken is nice and golden. Okay, and after 4 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it and the internal temperature is at 165 degrees. So now we're just going to remove it from the oil. Drain the excess oil, okay, and repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. All right, so once we have fried all of our chicken, now we can get ready to make our sauce. So before that, I'm going to be making my slurry. So I'm just going to be mixing 1/4 of a cup of water with 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch. So just mix it and dissolve the cornstarch. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to set it to the side. Okay, to my wok, I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil. And it's already nice and hot. So to that, I'm going to be adding 4 minced garlic cloves and 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Just going to give it about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we're going to be adding our sauce mixture. And to that, we're going to also add our slurry. So just mix it together and allow this to come to a simmer. Okay, and after about a minute, our sauce should have simmered and have thickened up. So here I'm just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. And just like that, we have our sauce. So now we can get ready to toss in our chicken. And just mix it in with the sauce. And just like that, we have our super easy and delicious orange chicken. So now we can get ready to serve in a bed of white rice. And just like that, enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's fast. In less than 30 minutes, you have this delicious meal. It's cheaper and better than takeout. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. I'm sorry, this is actually one of my favorites and it's just perfect. So delicious. That chicken's so flavorful. The sauce, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious orange chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.